Hi, I'll show you how to use the board browser to go through the kids' boards in a grid view. So first you go to the grid view. You can see the boards. You can adjust the grid view by making 2 by 2 because I have only 4 students. And the grid view will show you where the kids last left off. So this is student 2, this is student 3. They left their boards at that state. But if you want to flip through the pages, you click this gear icon again and check mark the board browser, which will open up this little window. So and you can drag that around. Instead of saying clicking real time, which is the default, you change it to be a particular page number. So you can say, hey, I want to see board number 1, page number 1. So you see everybody's on page number 1, and then you go to page number 2. On this little window, you see everybody's board changes to page number 2. You go to page number 3, everybody's page number 3. That's it.